Welcome to FluentArc Podcast. Speak with heart, live with meaning. Hey, before you scroll past this video, I want you to try something. Say this out loud right now. What's up, man? I'm totally swamped today. Did you say it? Or did you just read it in your head? Because that, right there, is exactly why most people never become fluent in English. They read English. They study English. But they never actually speak it. Well, not today. Today, in the next 15 minutes, you're going to speak 50 real American daily sentences. The kind Americans actually say every single day. So grab a coffee or some chai and let's get it. All right, people, it's morning in America. The alarm went off and our guy Jake wakes up. What does he say? Listen carefully, then repeat after me. Sentence 1. Ugh, I can't get up. Hit the snooze one more time. Hit the snooze. That means to press the snooze button on your alarm. We all do it. We all do it. Repeat. Hit the snooze one more time. Sentence 2. Oh man, I totally overslept. I gotta run. I gotta run, not literally running anywhere. It means, I have to leave right now. I'm in a hurry. You'll hear this 10 times a day in America. Repeat it. I gotta run. Sentence 3. Can you give me a heads up before the meeting starts? Give me a heads up. A heads up is a warning, an early notice. Hey, heads up. The boss is in a bad mood today. Now your turn. Give me a heads up. Sentence 4. I'm kinda dragging today. I need like 3 more coffees. Dragging. When you're dragging, you feel slow, tired, low energy. Not sick, just bleh. Repeat. I'm kinda dragging today. Sentence 5. What's up? You doing anything tonight? Simple, casual, gold. What's up is not asking about the sky. It's the American version of, how are you? Or, what's happening? Repeat. What's up? You doing anything tonight? Sentence 3. Can you give me a heads up before the meeting starts? Give me a heads up. A heads up is a warning, an early notice. Hey, heads up. The boss is in a bad mood today. Now your turn. Give me a heads up. Sentence 4. I'm kinda dragging today. I need like 3 more coffees. Dragging. When you're dragging, you feel slow, tired, low energy. Not sick, just bleh. Repeat. I'm kinda dragging today. Sentence 5. What's up? You doing anything tonight? Simple, casual, gold. What's up is not asking about the sky. It's the American version of, how are you? Or, what's happening? Repeat. What's up? You doing anything tonight? At work or school, 3 to 5:30. Okay, Jake made it to work. Barely. And now the real conversations begin. Sentence 6. Can you fill me in on what I missed? Fill me in. When you miss something, a meeting, a class, gossip, you ask someone to fill you in, update you. Say it. Can you fill me in? Sentence 7. I'm swamped right now. Can we catch up later? Swamped. Imagine a swamp, muddy, stuck, overwhelmed. That's how you feel when you're too busy. And catch up, to meet and talk later. Repeat. I'm swamped. Can we catch up later? Sentence 8. Could you run that by me one more time? Run that by me. This means, say it again. Explain it again. I didn't understand. It sounds so professional. Repeat. Could you run that by me one more time? Sentence 9. Let's just wing it and see what happens. Wing it. No plan, no preparation. Just do it. Like a bird spreading its wings without thinking. Americans say this all the time before presentations. Say it. Let's just wing it. Sentence 10. That meeting was a total waste of time. I'm so over it. I'm so over it. Done. Finished. I don't want to deal with this anymore. Very American. Very real. Repeat. I'm so over it. Casual hangouts and friends. 5:30 to 7:45. Now let's hang out with Jake's friends. Real American conversations. The kind you'll actually need. Sentence 11. No worries, man. It happens to the best of us. This is empathy, kindness. When your friend messes up, you say this. No worries equals don't feel bad. It happens to the best of us equals everyone makes mistakes. Say it with heart. No worries, man. Sentence 12. That's lit. Where did you get that jacket? Lit. American slang meaning amazing, cool, excellent. Used mostly by younger Americans. Repeat. That's lit. Sentence 13. I'm down for pizza. What about you? I'm down. I agree. I'm in. Count me in. Not down like sad, down like ready and willing. Repeat. I'm down for it. Sentence 14. Dude, you totally nailed it. I'm not even joking. Nailed it. You did something perfectly. Like a nail going straight into the wall. Perfect hit. Say it like you mean it. You nailed it. Sentence 15. Come on, don't back out now. We had a deal. Back out. To cancel or quit something you already agreed to. This makes people upset. Repeat. Don't back out on me. Sentence 16. I'll figure it out. Just give me a sec. Figure it out. To find a solution. Give me a sec. Give me a second. Just a moment. Repeat. I'll figure it out. Sentence 17. You're totally overthinking it. Just go for it. Go for it. Take the chance. do it. Don't be afraid. Pure American encouragement energy. Repeat. Just go for it. Emotions and real talk. 7:45 to 10. Now, let's get a little deeper. These are the sentences Americans use when feelings are involved. Real, human, relatable. Sentence 18. I didn't mean to come off like that. I was just venting. Come off. To appear or seem in a certain way. Venting. Releasing your frustration by talking. Repeat. I was just venting. Sentence 19. I hate to break it to you, but he's not coming back. I hate to break it to you. I'm sorry to tell you something you won't want to hear. Said with sadness. Compassion. Repeat. I hate to break it to you, but... Sentence 20. She really got under my skin today. I'm done. Got under my skin. Irritated you deeply. Made you angry in a way you can't shake. Repeat. She got under my skin. Sentence 21. I'm not gonna lie. That really hit me hard. I'm not gonna lie. I'm being completely honest with you. Hit me hard. Affected me emotionally in a strong way. Repeat with feeling. That really hit me hard. Sentence 22. I feel like we're not on the same page. Not on the same page. You and the other person don't understand or agree with each other. Repeat. We're not on the same page. Sentence 23. Look, I'm just going to be real with you for a second. Be real with you. Be honest, direct, no games. Americans love this phrase when something serious is coming. Repeat. I'm just going to be real with you. Sentence shopping, orders, and daily errands. 10 to 11:45. Let's go out. To the store. To the cafe. American errands. American English. Sentence 24. Can I get a large iced coffee? To go, please? Can I get... Used to order something. To go, you want it to take with you, not eat there. Repeat. Can I get a large iced coffee to go? Sentence 25. Do you guys take card? I don't have any cash on me. You guys. Very casual American way to address a group or even just one person at a counter. Repeat. Do you guys take card? Sentence 26. I'm just browsing, thanks. When a salesperson asks if you need help and you don't, you say this. Repeat. I'm just browsing, thanks. Sentence 27. Could you throw in a bag? I've got a lot of stuff. Throw in, to add something extra, usually without extra cost. Repeat. Can you throw in a bag? Sentence 28. Can you ring this up separately? We're splitting the bill. Sentence 20 per this up. Process it at the register. Splitting the bill. Each person pays their own share. Repeat. We're splitting the bill. Online, texting, and modern life. 11:45 to 13:15. Okay, Gen Z alert. These sentences are from the internet age. American slang that lives online and offline. Sentence 29. No cap. That was the best meal I've ever had. No cap. Slang for, I'm not lying. No exaggeration. That's the truth. Repeat. No cap, that was amazing. Sentence 30. He ghosted me. Just completely disappeared. Ghosted. Someone stops replying, stops communicating, vanishes like a ghost. Repeat. He totally ghosted me. Sentence 31. I'm low-key obsessed with this show right now. Low-key. A little bit, secretly, quietly. Not super obvious. Repeat. I'm low-key obsessed. Sentence 32. That's kinda sus, not gonna lie. Sus. Short for suspicious. Something feels wrong or dishonest. Repeat. That's kinda sus. Sentence 33. She really said that? That's such a vibe. A vibe, a feeling, an atmosphere, an energy that just feels right. Repeat. That's such a vibe. Power sentences for fluency. 1315 to 1430. Almost done. And these last ones? These are power sentences. Use them every day. They will make you sound native. Sentences 34 to 50. Rapid fire. Repeat each one after me. It is what it is. Accept reality. Nothing you can do. That's on me. My bad. It's my fault. I'm sorry. You do you. Do what's right for you. I respect your choice. I'm not feeling it today. I don't feel motivated or enthusiastic. Let's bounce. This place is dead. Let's leave. Nothing is happening here. That's a stretch. That's hard to believe. That's a big claim. I could go either way. I'm okay with both options. I don't have a strong preference. She's killing it out there. She's doing an amazing job. She's succeeding. We're good. Don't even worry about it. Everything is fine. No need to apologize. I'm gonna pass on that one. No thanks. I'll skip it. That came out of nowhere. That was totally unexpected. I'm on the fence about it. I can't decide. I'm not sure. Can you pick up the slack? Can you do extra work to cover what's not being done? I'm running late. Go ahead without me. I'll arrive after you. Start without me. That's what I'm talking about. Yes, exactly. That's the right thing. Keep me in the loop. Tell me updates as they happen. Don't leave me out. Let's call it a day. Let's stop working for today. We're done. Outro. 1430 to 1500. 1 second. 50 sentences. 15 minutes. And if you actually repeated them, you just practiced more English than most students do in a week. Here's your homework. Pick just 5 of these sentences and use them for real tomorrow, in a text, in a conversation, in your head, anywhere. And if you want more, smash that like button. Subscribe. Because every single week, we're dropping more real American English that actually gets you speaking. You got this. Now go speak some English. Peace out.